Gold actually looks pretty darn bullish here, and I'm going to be honest with you, silver might become bullish at this one price level. We are in active longs inside of Nordic Alpha on both gold and silver right now, and I'm going to show you exactly why and the exact levels that hit in order for us to get in those longs, because there was a key level that we picked out days in advance inside of Nordic Alpha for both gold and silver, and those levels hit and they held up and we, boom, went long. I'm going to show you where we break down if we are to see silver fall or gold fall. I'm going to show you exactly where that breakdown happens, and I'm going to show you exactly where the uptrend starts on silver and where the uptrend continues on gold. If you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer. I am the founder of Nordic Alpha. I'm a pro trader inside of not only the metals, the gold and silver markets, but also crypto, Bitcoin, right? The S&P, stocks, options, you name it, I trade it. We do it inside of Nordic Alpha. And the point of this video is to get you prepared for exactly where gold and silver could be going. Now, the one thing I want people to understand, we are in an uptrend on the 1 hour, the 12 hour, the 1 day, the 1 week, and the 1 month charts on gold. And it has continued its uptrend on the 1 hour chart, reversing the previous downtrend. The 4 hour, or at least those midterm charts, 3, 4, 6 hour charts, those are the only ones that are still in a downtrend and that we need to break the highs in order to align. Now, silver has a much harder time upwards, at least in my opinion. I'm going to show you why inside of the charts, but I'm also going to tell you, make sure you go and watch these videos, subscribe to the channel, because I am bringing out a massive series. I'm talking 5, 10 videos over the next couple of weeks, and some of them have already launched. You can go and watch them right now, that makes a case that silver might not necessarily pump again as it did before. There's no guarantee that it doesn't. It absolutely could. But there are some pretty, we'll call it drastic and powerful forces in the background that could stop silver. Now, before we talk about the technicals on silver, let's go through gold. Inside of the gold markets, what we are seeing is we have this level right here, which is your 1 hour high. It's at $5,144.50. You have to crack that level with a 1 hour candle close. That would confirm a continuation of the uptrend on the 1 hour chart, and then could open up a path to all-time highs, in my opinion. Now, second to that, we also need to crack the all-time high right up here at $5,626.80 in order for us to get back bullish on the 4 hour chart, okay? That would also give us a trend continuation on the 12 hour, on the daily, on the weekly, and on the monthly charts, okay? So that's what we need to see. Now, second to that, I want to show you how I know we are in an uptrend on the 1 hour chart. These were our previous highs, okay? We cracked those highs right here and set new highs at about 51.10. Then we cracked those highs right here and set our new highs at 51.45. Right here, this was your market structure shift from a downtrend to an uptrend. This right here was your continuation, confirming that the 1 hour was still in an uptrend. Now, ultimately, what do we need to uphold? In my opinion, we need to uphold this right here, but second to that, we need to uphold $4,670, which is your 1 hour market structure low. And if you lose that, you're likely going to come down to about $4,423, which is where your 12 hour, your 4 hour, your 1 day, and your 1 week lows are. And if you uphold that, you're looking actually pretty bullish on the charts as it sits right now. Now, the one thing I will say, we are in an active long. We gave this long out, and I'll pop it up on the screen and show you what day we gave it out on. We gave this exact long out, and actually this long out, inside of Nordic Alpha days and days in advance. We also gave this long out. You had 3 chances to get in on the longs on gold to absolutely crush it, okay? Now, if you want those trade setups and you want my TA in real time, get inside of Nordic Alpha. I cannot stress that enough. We are absolutely raising the prices in 9 days. They're not going up by $1. They're not going up by 10%. They are going up by 67%. Now is the time, because it is the least expensive it is ever going to be, and those prices are going up in 9 days. We offer discounts on 3, 6, and 12-month memberships as it sits right now. Let's talk about silver, though. Enough about the Nordic Alpha memberships. Silver is in a downtrend on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 12 hour, and the 1 day chart, okay? The good news is that there is a particular level that we need to break in order to get back in an uptrend, but the only thing that's in an uptrend right now is the 1 week and the 1 month chart. It's absolutely horrendous. I'm gonna show you what's going on inside of the silver charts. Honestly, it kind of sucks. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna be honest with you. What we need to see is this high right here needs to get cracked, okay? And that high is $92.01. Now, what does that actually do? If we are to crack $92.01, we are now shifting market structure back to an uptrend on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the 12-hour charts, meaning that the daily chart would be the only one that's in a downtrend. That would be incredibly bullish for silver, but there is downside here, okay? We actually took a long here. We took a long here. I'll show you, and I'll pop them up on the screen as well, but I'll show you those longs that we actually took. Bang, right here. That's your first long. A lot of people are already out of this long in massive, massive profits, but we also gave out this trade right here, where we are now in a very profitable, guaranteed to win long position, okay? The second thing that I want people to understand is that so long as we uphold this low right here and the $63.90 lows, we can now start bouncing and thinking about getting back into an uptrend. That $63.90 level is where the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 12 hour, and the 1 day lows are. If you break that level on silver with candle closes on any time frames, probably the 1 hour and the 4 hour first, right? But if you break it on the 12 hour and the 1 day, it is incredibly bearish news for silver, and you do not want to see that level get broken. Now, if you are to break this level right here and move up past that $92 level, first off, you got to take out 86. That's just period. So it's got a lot of work to do, but it's doing its work right now. Ultimately, you have to come all the way up here to the all-time highs at $121 and almost 79 cents exactly in order for you to get back into an uptrend on the 1 day chart, continuation trends of the uptrend on the 1 week and 1 month chart. And in my opinion, silver has a lot more work to do than gold does in order to get back into those uptrends and then align all of those time frames trends. Now, again, subscribe to the channel because I promise you, you are going to want to watch the videos that I'm talking about silver having a lot of things in the background moving against you if you're looking for longs. And obviously, if you want the trade setups, get inside of Nordic Alpha because in 9 days, it is going to go up by 67%.